Hey guys, what's going on? I'm George and this is You Wanna Watch. This week's project, we got the Vornado fan. It's gonna be a good one. I say we get right into it. Let's go. Ha! Got it.
Oh, look at all the crap in there. You would never have known.
Looks like it's tape. I don't think everything's been taken apart. Looks like it's tape to stop the sound of it rattling. Alrighty. Well, where do we go from here? Wow. I don't think it's this one. Holy crap, it is. The chance of that. First shot. Not bad for not even being able to see it. Wow. Looks like it was in somebody's house who was a smoker, or if the house was on fire or some shit, I don't know. That's crazy. Definitely got to clean that up. It's like there's hair or string around the motor.
I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. You see that right there? That's no bueno.
Okie dokie. I'm not very good with electricity, so. Okay, I gotta take a picture of that too. That was barely even on there. Look at that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That came right out of there. I can't believe I just ripped the wire right out of this thing. I cannot believe I did that. I am so pissed right now, I can't even tell you.
So I ripped the black wire right out of this.
So now I gotta see if I can't cut the insulation back on this or something to try and
Gotta try and fix my boo-boo. Ouch. I hate soldering. Tiny stuff like this. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. If not, I truly apologize. But alright, so the first thing I want to do before I start cleaning this stuff, I'm going to try and get the funk and gunk off this fan. Alright, dogs wouldn't stop barking, so I wound up buffing out the fan blade. Came out real good, actually. I'm uncertain what I'm going to do with the bottom base. It had a lot of paint missing on it, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do on this. Probably, I don't know. I'm still on the fence about it, so I'm not sure. We'll leave that as a little mystery towards the end. The tins came out really good. It's got that beautiful, I don't want to say it's an OD green, and it's not really a avocado either, but I think I want to throw some polish on this, see if I can't get it to look a little bit better. So I'm going to go do that. The electric motor has been, the motor's been cleaned. And that's all ready to go back in. Came out pretty damn good too. Got to be where it goes. Not going to work, is it? Never again. Alright, let me clean up my mess and we'll do the roundup. This fan whooped my ass. Be back in a minute. Alright guys, well, the Vornado's done. Let's test it out. Damn. That puts out some good air. Get my beard in there. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. That's it guys, we're all done. Like always, stay safe, be safe. See you next week with another video.